17 Idlib villages destroyed in regime offensive UN. Syria, UN sent truckloads of humanitarian aid to Idlib. Israeli court jails prisoner's lawyer for 13 years. Despite Gulf tensions, UAE delegation arrives in Iran. US asks Germany to join naval forces in Gulf. US and Egyptian defense chief meets in Washington. Clashes erupts in Yemen's Hodeidah despite ceasefire. Nigeria officially bans mainstream Shia group. Japan offers mediation on Rohingya repatriation. Afghanistan, roadside IED blast kills 34 bus passengers. Pakistani president says he wants dialogue with India. Instant divorce criminalized in India.